Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be an unboxing of this super cute little box that Jackie, Bohemian Llama, sent my way. And this is her birthday challenge entry. And look, you guys, she's all the way from Florida, the Sunshine State. So she did tell me that this box is very tropical and very sunny and fun. So I'm excited. So we're going to take everything out of the box. Look at this box, how cool. You can take this out and move it. So I'm going to take all the goodies out. Oh, look, she's got like this. She has her own website. Definitely go check it out. And look, there's a coupon code. YamaStay15. I love that. I love that. So cool. She makes jewelry. Oh my gosh, this is like such tropical funness. Is that even a word? Funness. It's a word today. Look at this cute little pineapple box. She's got like some fun crinkle paper. We're gonna move all the crinkle paper. And look at this cute little straw. I purchased a bunch of these and I never used them. Sheesh, Lily, use your stuff. Oh, look, she wrapped everything up. It says, "This is paradise." Oh, what is this? And then we have this one, which she also wrapped up. I didn't sneak, Jackie. I didn't sneak a look. Oh, there's like a candle here. Definitely a birthday box. Look at these. I love these. When I was a kid, I used to just put them on my drink just for no reason. You know, just have some soda with a little umbrella in it. And she's got all these little confetti pieces. Look how cute. And another little candle. All right, so I'm going to put these inside the box. And we're going to go through her entry, you guys. Okay. Don't fall, don't fall. All right, we'll leave that for last. I want to open this up. Look how cute. Open it from both sides. Oh, this is a cute little bracelet. She told me she was going to send me a bracelet. And you guys, the meaning to this bracelet is so beautiful, so thoughtful. Oh, I love it. Look how pretty. She said it's rose quartz. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. We are leaving this on throughout the video. Thank you, Jackie. I love it. So pretty. Look, you guys. I love it. I love it. All right, let's see what we have here. I'm gonna open it through here. I can kind of see through the tissue paper. I think these are your embellishments. Right? Ooh, is that like a little popcorn bag? Oh, look at those butterflies, you guys. Aren't these the cutest? I love that paper. So sparkly. And then she gifted me these gift bags, which I've never seen, like with this shape. That's so cool. And then look at this one. It's like a popcorn bag. Don't have any of these. Super cute. Ooh, you guys, look at this. She did like doily embellishments. So she's got the doily in the back, and then she did like the pinwheel, and then like a little rosette in the middle. Very creative, very different. Don't have anything like this. I love the colors you chose. So pretty. Sorry about the lighting, you guys. It's late. And then here, let's see what we got here. Oh, what is this? Oh, how cute. It's like a little makeup bag. It says, "Open Me." Okay. I love little notes. Who doesn't like notes? Ooh, she made me a beautiful tassel. You guys, look at this. Look at all these oh, I have to look at this. Hold on. Hold on. We're going to take you out of here. I love this bag. I love it so much. Those colors are everything. Look at this, you guys. You see this? And then look at all her charms. There's this little flower. There's a little sea turtle. A little butterfly. We have the little pineapple. This cute little feather. Another little turtle, but with that, oh my gosh, I know that, like, that stone. Is that emerald? Like, is it emerald? I don't know my stones. Look at this yellow one. Look, you guys. Oh, I love this one. These are beautiful. Look at this little flower. Another pineapple. She wasn't kidding when she said this was tropical. I love it. I love when you guys get creative with the theme. This is beautiful. Thank you so much, Jackie. I love it. Love all the charms and all the detail it has. And then we're going to do this one, you guys. Look how cute. It says celebrate. She did a little ribbon. And I think this is her card. Yep, I was right. Ooh, look at this card. I like it. This is different. Oh, this is pretty. Look at that. You guys see that? How dimensional it is? I love it. Jackie, I love it. Okay, so we're going to put her card here so you guys can stare at all her beauties thus far. We have the little pineapple box right here. Keep it in frame. And now, oh, she's got this cute little straw. We're going to go into the tag flip. All right, let's see what we got going on here. All right, I like the way she wrapped it up in tulle. And here we go. I hope I did this the right way. Oh, she has the little sticker. I'm definitely saving this little sticker. I love it. That's a Jolie's Boutique sticker. Okay, so let's see what way. I'm going to put it right here, actually. Because she had it on the outside, but I want to save it. So I'm going to put it on the front of her tag flip. Yep, so it doesn't go anywhere. So look, you guys. This is her first. I hope am I doing it the right way? I hope I am. If I'm starting on the wrong end, I apologize, Jackie. But look how cute this tag is. She kind of, you see, she kind of stitched this little ribbon all the way through the tag. She weaved it. Isn't that cute? And then look, it says, "You're so sweet." There's a cute little resin piece right here, a little lollipop. Adorbs. And then, okay, let me see. Cause I don't wanna ruin anything. Okay, there you go. And we have this cute little tag and it says, "Have a great birthday." Look how pretty. And then look at this one. She's got this cute little fabric flower. She's got this little, not a butterfly, like a dragonfly. This says happy birthday. I love these tags. These are beautiful. And then look at this one. Hello sunshine, happy birthday. Then there's like a little gift bag here. For some reason I feel like I did this the wrong way. But we're still gonna get through all the tags. What's in here? Ooh, what are these? Ooh, look at these like little plasticky doilies. This is cute. Definitely gonna leave these out. These are cute. I love those. And look at this one. It's like her little embellishment. I love this paper. So it's a cute little butterfly. She has it on top of a bow. It says "Make a Wish" with a little cupcake, a little button. And then she's got like another little tag here. It says "Happy birthday to you." And then I feel like this was here. She had this cute little clip in here. It just fell out. Then there's like this little gift bag here. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, she gifted me some of those flowers. These, you guys. Oh, I gotta see these. Let's take them out. Oh, Jackie, thank you so much. I don't have any of these. Look how beautiful. I've seen these on AliExpress and I wanted to order them, but I never have. Look how cute, you guys. And there's like 2 lavender and 2 peach and 1 pink. So cute. Thank you for those. And then there's this tag. Look how cute. It says tropical vibes. She's got a little button. The little parakeet. Is that a parakeet or a toucan? I think it's a toucan. It's not a parakeet. Lily, really? Learn your animals, Missy. Learn your animals. Look at this one. She put 41. I love how you guys did that this year and went and put my age on blast. Look how cute. There's another tag. It says, hooray, it's your day. I definitely went backwards on this tag flip. And there's another little gift bag in here with some more surprises. She gifted me resin pieces, you guys. I love me some resin pieces. So she gifted me a bow. Another bow. Look at that bow. How cute. And then look at these. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. I love them. They are definitely going in my collection. I have a bunch of these. I think I ordered some on Ali and I got like a bag full, like filled with like 50. So many. Look how cute this is. That is an adorable idea. I love that. So cute. Ooh, and we have a little pocket here. And she gifted me some tags, some little note cards. Love that note card. This is so cute. Definitely taking these out. I'm taking my goodies out because I want to be able to use them. All right, so let's see. And then we have another tag here. It says happy birthday. And we have another baggie with a cute little clip. And that looks like this. And when we open it up, I like this one with the little dog balloons. Ooh, we have a bunch of those the charms that she had sent me. Look at this, you guys. So we have the butterfly, a bunch of little turtles in different colors, and the little fishies. These are cute. You guys already know I think everything is cute. I love these. I love the look of them. They're so pretty. Do you guys see? So cute. Thank you, Jackie. And then look at this one. She has a yellow one here. It says, be happy and do what makes your soul shine. And then that is the back. And she's got this cute little flower. And it's just layered on top. The cute little sea turtles. This is beautiful. You did an amazing job. Thank you so much, Jackie. Not only for this super thoughtful gift, but for entering my challenge and spoiling me with all these goodies. I appreciate you so much. And that's it, guys. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed to my channel. Jingle Lils is right around the corner, you guys. Get ready for giveaways every day for 12 days. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.